Today I have an update with regards to two stocks that they've received some orders. One is Facade Systems sector, which is called as Innovators Facade Systems Limited. This is the logo of the company. We'll quickly take you through some other information. Yeah, okay. There we go. This is the current price, 5.5% up in the last 1 month, minus 5% in the last 6 months, and minus 10.3% in the last 1 year. So something that the market has seen a correction, and that is the reason why it is trending at a negative uh, value share, value addition. Market cap of 399 crores, current price 212, price to earnings ratio of 25, book value of 85, nearly 2.5 times his book value. No dividend paid, return on capital employed 15, return on equity 10%, face value of the share is 10 rupees. Company is not paying any dividends. Company has a low return on equity of 9.5% in the last 3 years. Debtor days have increased from 74 to 90. Sales revenue has been erratic, ranging from 100 to 107 as the average for the last 4 quarters. Net profit, you can see the last 2 quarters it has been steady at 8 crores. However, it went up to 10 crores in the March 2024 6 monthly financial. So these are the reports based on the 6 months. So it's last 2 years, not last 4 quarters. Sorry for that. Overall, you can see year on year there is a slight improvement in revenue. However, uh, the net profit has just slightly increased by 1 crore compared to year on year. So something that the company would need to focus on. Okay, we'll before we move on to the second company. Okay, let us look at the basics of the other company as well. It's ITI. It's public sector enterprise. 2% up in the last 1 month, 28% negative return in the last 6 months, and 6.5% value add in the last 1 year. So again, the October November time correction in the stock markets impacted this stock as well from the all-time highs. When you look at the ITI is engaged in manufacturing, trading, and servicing of telecommunication equipment and rendering other associate and ancillary services. The company focuses on offering telephone communication services. Market cap of 31,500 crores. Current price of 329. Price to earnings ratio not available. Probably company is not making any profit. Book value 16.4, dividend yield is 0, no dividend paid. Return on capital employed is 1.33% negative. Return on equity is minus 16%. Face value 10 rupees, trading at 20 times its book value. Interest coverage ratio is low. Company has low return on equity. Earnings include another income of 120 crores. Company has high debtor days of 403 days. You can see the revenue is more or less stagnant. The company has managed to reduce 70 crore loss to about 5 crores in the last quarter. So there are chances of improvement. You can see the revenue has grown from 1260 crores to 3600 crores in just 1 year, which is a very good sign. Net profit, which was a negative of 570 crores in 2024, the companies managed to reduce that to 230 crores, still a long way away from adding any value to the uh, shareholders value that has been depreciated or diluted, sorry, not depreciated. So that is it from the financials viewpoint. We'll quickly look at what orders both the company have got. So first one is Facade Systems, Innovator Facade Systems. The shares of the company involved in design, engineering, fabrication, supply, and installation moved up by 8% with a 61 crore order from L&T. The stock delivered negative returns of 6% in the last 1 year but has gained more than 4% in the last 1 month. So, positive move. According to the regulatory update, 61 crore order from L&T received. The scope of the project includes design, fabrication, supply, installation, commissioning of facade works for central secretariat buildings 6 and 7 located on Maulana Azad Road in New Delhi. The project is scheduled to be completed by October 2026. Then the second company is the PUCU stock with a jump of 4%, 88 crore contract from Odisha and Chhattisgarh for Infra project. Shares of first post-independence PSU rose by 4% after ITI Limited, a leading telecom manufacturer, secured contracts worth 88 crores from Odisha and Chhattisgarh for CCTV systems, GIS mapping, and IT infrastructure upgrades. The company received a 54 contract from Cuttack Development Authority for CCTV installation, surveillance, and traffic signal systems, along with 23 crore order from Land Intelligence Management Systems. Additionally, it bagged 11.72 crore contract from Chhattisgarh CHIPS to upgrade wireless LAN infrastructure at the Mantralaya and the HOD Bhavan at Nava Raipur in Chhattisgarh. ITI Limited is government-owned telecom technology company established in 1948. The company makes a wide range of telecom and defense products such as optical networks, encryption devices, smart energy meters, and Wi-Fi equipment. ITI also handles turnkey telecom projects and is expanding into areas like IoT, Internet of Things, smart cities, and cloud services through its Bangalore data center. Important investment disclaimer: this article cum information has been extracted from different resources on the internet. All investment opinions and recommendations mentioned are solely those of the respective experts, broking houses, and rating agencies. These views do not reflect any personal opinion. Stock market investments carry inherent risk of financial losses. Investors must exercise their own judgment and conduct proper due diligence. The author bears no responsibility for any losses resulting from the decisions based on this article. It is strongly recommended to consult a qualified financial advisor or broker before making any investment decisions. So, friends, thank you for watching the video. Please share this video with your friends, family, and associates so that they could benefit from this information. Please also share your input in terms of feedback on how to improve the content and the presentation of this video. Thank you. We'll catch up with another video soon. Thank you for watching once again.